a special video. Okay, so this might look weird the way this is kind of like a briefcase thing, but this is not what you expect, guys, okay? So this is a carry case for something. When I say carry case, you should already know what that means. Hold up. There we go. Brand new typewriter. Now, I've been writing some stuff already. It already has a ribbon in it. It came with a ribbon in it, and it came with an extra ribbon. And so, this is like the little manual instructions thing. And, I wrote, you can tell I've already wrote some stuff. And, shit, whatever this thing is. Yeah. But anyway, when I first got it open and stuff, this thing was in it from, preventing it from typing for some reason, so I had to take that out. And yeah, this thing is a Royal. It is a one of those. I don't know how when this model came out. It might have actually been a recent one. I don't know. I don't know if they still make these. So yeah. It is a bunch of papers here that I wrote and so forth. And yeah. So basically, I just get this. And so I got a whole thing of paper here now. And then I can just put it in the carriage here. Like that. And then and my paper fell over. Okay, so I can just put it in the carriage here, as you can see. And then I can just begin typing. So, I don't know what I want to type. So, how about this? Okay. So now, and then you hear the little ding. It means it's done. I probably misspelled because I wasn't really paying attention anyway. So you can see it's all the way out in the carriage. So I can just slide that all the way back over to where it needs to be. And that's over a little bit too much. Gonna have to get that evenly spaced out so I can close the thing back up. And as you can see, it closes easily. And so, yeah. Anyway, as you can see, I wrote hi, welcome, without an E, to Ryland Productions. For some reason, it keeps spacing it on automatically, so I'll have to fix that. But, yeah. So this thing is actually really nice. Probably one of the nice things that I've got in a while. And, yeah. This might even be new. I have no idea. The manual looks brand new. So, yeah. So yeah. Okay, so if you're wondering where I got this, so you pick up. My grandfather actually bought it for me on Walmart.com. Surprisingly, they actually had these on Walmart.com. So, yeah. You can go check that out. And when you're done, you can always bring it and then carry it to wherever you want. So, yeah. I don't even know where to prop my phone up at. It's very heavy. I'm not gonna lie. It is a big piece of art. And I'll call it a piece of art because this thing is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. And so yeah, our printer doesn't work right, so I kind of needed this to like print stuff out. And not print stuff out, write stuff. As you can see, I wrote that and I was kind of copying that down on here. That's what one of those pages was about. Anyway, so yeah. So my review is, it is very good. Happen to notice one slight issue, that it does keep spacing randomly. So I can fix that. So this is a 9 out of 10. It is very high. I only have one issue in it, and it's a small issue. So yeah, this typewriter is a beauty. Just open it up real easily there. Yeah, and that's it again. Just easily close that up. Like so. There. And then it's perfect. So I'll definitely be using this a lot, since I have actually been wanting one for years and years, ever since the first Goosebumps movie came out, because I was a big fan of that movie, and it had a typewriter in it, so you already know what I wanted. Sadly, this was not a Smith Corona, but that's fine. It's a typewriter. It's basically, this one's basically